Hey guys, boy, maybe I should have named this video as Bitcoin crashes and we don't care. Bitcoin crashes and we don't care. This has been one of the most exciting times that I've seen in a long time, and here's one of the big reasons why. Normally, before, when Bitcoin was crashing, guys, it's like the entire market would be crashing and everybody is just like held hostage by Bitcoin. And guys, that is slowly but surely changing. And that is exciting, guys. I mean, here it is, Bitcoin. I mean, imagine Bitcoin and the manipulators. And this is the thing, the big Bitcoin manipulators, they're going to soon have no choice but to join the party and send Bitcoin up because people are not paying attention to Bitcoin. People are making a killing elsewhere. So, people are like saying, okay, you know what? Yeah, you Bitcoin whales, guess what? Or you Bitcoin exchanges, whoever you are, you want to go ahead and manipulate the price and, kind of try to take people on this emotional roller coaster. Guess what? We're going to go over to where the money is flowing. And right now, the money is flowing in gaming. Here we are. Bitcoin dropped by almost 20% right now. Okay? Almost 20%. Is anybody sitting there really just being depressed? Look at what's happening. I mean, look at what's happening. Gaming metaverses like sand. I mean, look at this is just unbelievable. Look at this thing. Right? 700% in the last 4 weeks. 700% in the last 4 weeks from sand, guys. This is just insane, right? Absolutely insane. There's nothing else to say about it. And this is just one of many, many different coins. I mean, D-Race, right? D-Race USD. I mean, D-Race has been on an absolute tear. Imagine from 63 cents, $7.79. Now, D-Race is a coin that is like based on horse betting. And as you know, when you talk about the Derby and all of that kinds of stuff, in terms of horse racing and stuff, it's a huge industry. Huge. D-Race got above this all-time high right there. And we were off to the races once we held support from $4.42. Bam! Coming up to about 100% gains from that, right? This is huge, guys. Huge. All right. So, guys, follow the money flow. The money flow right now is in gaming, guys. In case you didn't know, gaming and NFTs, they're killing it. These things are making a absolute killing, no matter what Bitcoin is doing, and that is the exciting thing. That the entire market is not being held hostage based on what Bitcoin is doing. You got tons of coins that are in double-digit gains, and Bitcoin is crashing. 20%. We call that a crash for Bitcoin, right? But guys, this is just a time to be excited. To be honest, just to be absolutely excited. Another thing, like I said, you got to watch out for is exchange coins, right? Exchange coins. I mean, again, look at this. Look at crypto.com. And you think this thing is done? It's not done. Like, it's still not done. And here we are, like, going straight up here, right? But this thing is not done. It's not done running, I'm telling you. Wow. This is just crazy. Wow. And I mean, the higher it goes, then even when you have a massive correction, it's still going to bring it down to like let's say we come in here, like 49, 50 cents. right? So when we do have a major correction, like maybe it'll get to like $1 and then have a 50% correction, because as you can see, we need a cool down soon. Like last time we were up here in this territory, we had let's see, this was up here at 19 cents. We fell down to 5 cents. So, the last time we were playing around up in this area, look, I mean, a 50 to 60% correction. So, whenever this does happen, like I said, last time we were up here, that led to a massive, massive correction. And so know that, of course, a correction is coming. It is. To be honest with you, I thought we were going to get a correction from even around 30 cents or something, like back down to 30 cents or something like that. And here we are we went to 90 cents today, still waiting on the correction. Right? So, this is where just holding, pays off until you have a certain target. Because if you're just trying to scalp when you're in the middle of a really big run, most of the time you end up losing out, right? So again, waiting for that correction. If you sold around here, even when we came outside of the Bollinger Bands, like 50 cents, and I'm sure everybody thought when it came down to 32 cents, like, oh boy, all right, let's get that correction back down to 25 cents. Nope, stopped at 32 cents and headed right back up. So, yeah. Right, so I mean, here's CRO doing its thing, right? Doing its thing, and it's still only like 400%. So in the midst of a really big run, like I said, I'm looking at like 10x or so. And as I've told you guys many times before, the chart with the best data so far is this one, in terms of us reaching an all-time high. Here it is, $2. $2. And I said, I did a video a long time ago saying that crypto.com is an easy 10x coin. Easy. And that was when it was around 20 something cents. So easy 10x, taking us up here to $2, guys. Right? So watch out for that. Watch out for that. I did a video already talking about that. Now, some other ones that we're looking at, KuCoin shares. Right? Watch out for KuCoin shares here, guys. KuCoin shares just did what? It just broke its all-time high. Now, just breaking its all-time high, what can we look at? What can we expect? Look at this. I mean, oh my goodness. I think it just missed my buy order. I had my buy order down here, like just barely over $20. Right? So, KuCoin shares, what are we looking at? Again, we've been under here since January 2018. Right? Over 3 years. Wow. November 2021. Almost 4 years, guys. Almost 4 years now, breaking out of this massive cup and handle. If we took this as a measured move, then we would see our first stop somewhere around $29 to $30. But ultimately, this is the big move that we're looking at right here. We did that. Take off my auto zoom here. We're looking at a $40 KuCoin share, right? $40 KuCoin shares. Okay, that's coming. I have no doubt. I mean, it's $23 already. That's not even 100% away, guys. All right, that's like, I don't know what, like 70% away, something like that. That's not even like a far stretch at all. I think that we'll be looking at normally when something breaks its all-time high like that, it goes to at least triple the value, which would take us to about a $60 KuCoin shares. So I think look out for that. I think that's on the horizon. A $60 KuCoin shares. I think that's on the horizon. I really do. So look out for that from KuCoin shares, guys. And of course, Huobi token. Okay, I told you guys about this when it was like $7. Huobi token still giving people a lot of opportunity to buy because it won't be down here in these levels for too long. Previous all-time high $40. It's currently at 10, call it $10. 75% discount, guys. 75% discount. So again, watch out for that with Huobi token. Okay. I did a video on these three exchanges because I think that their three coins are pretty big. Another one is FTT. All right. Again, so far for the year, oh my goodness. I mean, for the year, look at this. 20x. 20x, guys, on FTT. Okay. As you can see, what did we do? We did call it a 10x here. Then we fell 65%. Right. So after these, like I said, after these big runs, it's going to be a massive projection for a few weeks, for like 2 months or something like that. Then we make the move back up again. And that move was another 266%. We look at the RSI though on the weekly. Boom, seriously lower high, but a higher high on the price action. That's that divergence, and we are starting to come back down. So for FTT, I think we may need to come in and check in with the 50-week moving average. That's at $40. Because we pierce through the top of the Bollinger Band like that, normally we come back down to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. That would take us to $30 based on current pricing, but we could hover around until this Bollinger Band comes up some more and maybe meet us here at $40. But let's see what FTT does over the coming weeks. Let's see what FTT does as well. All right. So guys, like I said, all in all, to be honest, this is just about talking about the awesomeness of all of the coins in the market not being held hostage by Bitcoin. There are still some coins that are following Bitcoin, like the big ones, Polkadot, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Dash. A lot of those coins are still just following whatever Bitcoin is doing. And so when Bitcoin rises, they will rise too. But there's tons of coins right now that are just making huge, huge gains despite Bitcoin coming down. So it's a good time in the market. It's a good time overall. Take care, guys. Until next time.